What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to I'm not going to copy the Stradman's intro again. I'm not going to do it. So today I am heading out with Mason. He's been in the videos before. So his alternator broke or something, and the company is going to give him another one, but sadly it is like an hour away. So we are actually heading down to Salem, which is south of Portland, about an hour, like I said. And we're actually going to get in and out, which is freaking sick because, well, we never get in and out. It's about like a 2-hour round trip, plus you have to sit in line for like, you know, anywhere between an hour to like 5 hours. Yeah, I'm not joking. It's sad. Let's go get some In-N-Out burger. God dang it. I put my pink sweatshirt on again. Not a pink sweatshirt. All right, let's go. Wait, that adjusts your pedals? Bruh. Bruh, that man's taillight is falling off. All right, we made it to the world's sketchiest auto parts store with no freaking sign on it. This is Salem. If you've ever been to Salem, leave immediately. I think it's a fair point. Out here doing schoolwork as always. 2 weeks left of school and then I graduate. I can't wait to walk the hallway, down the refrigerator, get some food, be like, I graduated. Oh, 2020 sucks, but if you're out there doing school stuff like me, I feel you. Luckily, once I'm done with school, I'll be able to focus more on YouTube, to focus more on working. That's what I'm doing literally right now for Icy Arrow. Let's go. If you're out there doing school stuff, and you're keeping busy, going to the gym, doing whatever you're doing, keep grinding. Keep grinding. No one else is gonna make your dreams come true except you. How was the No Name Parts store?
Good. They would ask me for a sperm sample.
Wait, what? Totally believe that. They didn't actually, did they?
I was like, oh, do you need me to sign? Do you need me to sign something? And they're like, yeah, we need your hair follicle sample. We need the paint color off your car. We need the license plate. We need the last 8 of the VIN, and we need a sperm sample.
So if you ever want to give your sperm sample, go to the No Name Parts store off of, I think this is Lancaster Street in Salem. Tell them we sent you. All right, so I get my fries well done because a lot of people, because you know how people always complain about the fries. They say it tastes like, you know, paper, wet paper, yeah, and all sorts of things. I usually get them well done. I get well done animal fries, and then I get a 4x4 plain. If you ever come to In-N-Out, get well done animal fries. They are so much better. Guys, we're doing a mukbang on the channel today. Is it mukbang? How do you pronounce it? Hold up. Here we go.
Mukbang.
What? Mukbang. What's a mukbang? What?
Do you know how to pronounce this word?
No, I don't. We're gonna be doing a mukbang.
Mukbang.
We're gonna be smoking a mukbang today, guys. So what do you want to talk about in today's mukbang? Imagine being allergic to any of this. I'd cry. So out of 10, how would you rate these?
For the first time ever having animal style.
Oh, this is the first time ever you've had animal style fries? Oh, shit.
I'll give it a solid 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, okay. What's something that nobody knows about you?
Well, when I was little, I used to headbutt people. And you see this scar, this Harry Potter looking thing on my eyebrow? Yeah, I headbutted my mom when she had a ring on. And I cut my...
I think plain's better, in my opinion. Sounds wrong. You can get more meat in your mouth without it flying out of the burger. Because like when you eat it normally, it's just it's like slippery. And I don't want slippery meat going into my mouth.
Bruh.
What's something that nobody knows about me? Nothing. No, not a single person. I once stuck my...
Oh!
I get very fucking upset at myself if I'm lazy. Like if I go through the whole day and I've done nothing that's like meaningful, or I could have done better, I will literally like at the end of the day I will like beat myself up. Not like physically, but like I'll get so mad at myself. Impromptu mukbang done. Time to head home. What's up, guys? It is the following day. It is Thanksgiving Day, so I just want to say thank you for supporting me throughout the years. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. So the first thing I'm doing is actually heading over to check out a location that we are using for a toy drive that I'm co-hosting along with a few other people. I'll actually put a flyer on the screen right now. I really want to see you guys out there. It's actually going to be held at the parking garage, which you've seen in my videos before. So yeah, I need to head over there, check out the spot, and I can even show you guys the spot because it's huge. It's like 500 parking spaces. And I think I'm going to drive the WRX over, even though it's kind of broken. Whatever. If it breaks more, it breaks more. But anyways, time. Just hit myself in the face. All right, let's go to the WRX. Wait. There we go. That literally never gets old. Like, literally never gets old. I bet my neighbors probably think differently, but they can suck a fat cock. How many of you guys actually like let your car warm up? And what temperature? That's the coolant, obviously. I let it warm up to like 140, but honestly, I sometimes just drive it straight out because it takes me like 10 minutes to get out of this apartment complex anyways, so usually by the time I'm done, it's warmed up. Do you guys warm up your cars? No? You don't? You don't care about your cars? Okay. Just making sure. Shout out to the boy in the Corolla. He just came up to me and said he found my YouTube videos the other day. That's so wild. Oh, how I love this speed bump. Time to destroy my side skirts. Wait for it. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, daddy. Fuck me. So the last video I didn't really have, I was using my phone camera for the clip where I showed where I broke my lip. Thought I would give a little bit better of a view this time. So this side, as you can see, small slight stress crack right there, which is really not too big of a deal. That's pretty normal with these lips. But the whopper goes from there all the way down there. You can see the hole right there, and then down right through there, all the way till right about there, but I'm sure after this drive it's gonna be like over here. This splitter is surprisingly held up through 3 broken front lips. Like I have one right there, part of one right there, and the other one is upstairs. This splitter has really taken a beating. So basically what happened, since I didn't explain in the previous video, is I was driving over the bridge that goes over Oregon and Washington, and on the way back from my friend's place, and I'll include a video right here actually. I'm scraping so much right now. Now, as you can hear by that, I hit one of the connectors of the bridge, and it hit in a way where it grabbed the splitter, but the splitter didn't rip off. It just kind of like grabbed it, but then pushed it upwards, which is good. But then obviously it broke my lip, which sucks. But I mean, I have another one. It's not really that big of a deal, and I don't really drive my car that much anyways, so it's not like it's a huge inconvenience or anything like that. I know there's so many people in the comments. I get notifications every single day saying I'm stupid, saying why would you break this? Why would you not get bags? I'm just having fun. Realize that I am literally just having fun. Stop messaging me, please. Or keep doing it, because then it boosts the algorithm on the video and then I get more views. So actually, go to the comment section and tell me that I'm stupid. Alright, so I'm actually gonna head to a spot and take a few photos. If you remember, if you follow my Instagram at least, I hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you still. I did like a little Polaroid giveaway where I'm just gonna give Polaroids to a bunch of people, and the people who want it, I need to obviously take the Polaroid. That's actually what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head to the photo shoot spot, take some Polaroid, and then after I'm gonna head to the spot where we're doing the car event and show you all of that. Yeah, this is just another casual video. I enjoy them. They're a lot easier to film too. It's not as stressful as planning out a whole thing and then buying parts, and I enjoy this a lot more, but I enjoy the other ones too. Also, do you appreciate that I'm wearing a red sweatshirt today? Not pink, not yellow, not blue. We're wearing red today, baby. It doesn't fit and it's cold, but it's red. All right, let's go break my car. It is really nice out here. I'm surprised there's actually no one here. Usually there's people here on Thanksgiving and holidays because it's like a hiking thing. Damn. Freaking heck. She's a beaut right now. I don't know why it's so, there we go. That's crazy. I'm trying to get more comfortable at vlogging outside, but we're getting there. So I'm actually gonna take this mic off and take photos. Damn. Look at these seats. Time for photos. Follow my Instagram. I'm gonna post these photos on there. Okay? Okay. Working on getting some of the Polaroids done for the giveaway that I did for hitting 10K followers. They're actually starting to come out pretty decent. They're still working on it. They're still working on it. They take like 10-15 minutes to actually work. No, I think we're good actually. Never mind. Okay. Mexico is so nice this time of year. I nearly died. So this is the parking garage that we're using on December 5th for the toy drive. It is give or take about 500 or so spots, and then there's more spots down there. It's going to be so sick. So yeah, so the toy drive, every single person who comes brings an unwrapped toy. We're gonna have vendors, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. We're gonna have vendors, we're gonna have food trucks, and then also we are going to be doing a raffle. Obviously, wear a mask, social distance, be smart. We have insurance for the event, so it's completely legal. It's gonna happen. We've invited the police, the local police out, so I'm really excited. This is the parking garage where it kind of started it all in a sense. I always went up here and did videos, kind of bringing it home. We're doing toy drive for kids in the hospital, so it's awesome. It's a great cause. Yeah, I know COVID's going on. I know people are gonna be like, oh, why are you hosting an event during all this? But just be mindful, just wear a mask, social distance. It's not too difficult. If we do that, we can host an event and it won't be a problem. December 5th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I will leave a flyer up on the screen, and I'll also put the RSVP link for the Facebook page down below. I think there's like 500 or 600 people already saying that they're gonna come, so that's amazing. I hope I see a lot of you guys out there. This event will at least allow me to meet a bunch of you guys, so I hope you guys come out. I'm like, this is gonna be such a great event. If Kate Brown shows up, then we might have a problem, but I think we're okay. I'm probably gonna come back up here tomorrow. Somebody messaged me and said, hey, can you just make a video on like how to get good fitment and basically how to suspension, essentially. So I might be coming up here tomorrow to do that. So if you're wanting to watch that future video, subscribe, because I'm gonna make back to the, yeah, we're good. We're good. I never scrape, luckily. I always say that. It's a complete joke, guys, okay? Okay. I literally never scrape. It doesn't happen. Like, it's fake news. Like, CNN, Fox, fake news. This is real. Yeah, we're just gonna gloss over that, okay? That literally never happened, or that one. Yeah, but look at this parking garage. It's massive. This is the parking garage that we're hosting this toy drive in. It's massive. Be there. There's so much room. Anyways, I'm gonna drive home now. Oh, damn it. All right, so somebody actually messaged me saying they wanted to see roller videos of my car. I've actually been messaged this multiple times, and I decided instead of just doing the normal casual ending of a vlog, I'm actually gonna end the vlog with about 2 minutes or so of roller footage. The first one's gonna be kind of like a night drives, midnight nostalgia type vibe to it, and the second one's just gonna be raw audio of me scraping, going through downtown Portland. So yeah, if you wanna watch that, feel free to continue. It's about 2 or so minutes. It's actually very aesthetically pleasing, so I recommend watching it. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. Enjoy 2 minutes of me rolling on the freeway.